In this video, we're going to go over how to replace the filing pads in your Busby battery-powered nail trimmer. Start by locating the green release button on the back of your Busby. Press the release button while pulling out the original pad. If it doesn't release right away, you may need to align the pad, so try twisting it back and forth while continuing to press the release button and pulling straight out. Now you can insert your replacement pad. Just press the release button and align the ridges of your pad to the interior of the Busby opening. Push the pad in until you feel it lock into place. And your Busby is ready to go. Just turn it on and file away. We love hearing from our customers, so please feel free to reach out via email at hello@zoli-inc.com or direct message us on Instagram or Facebook at ZoliDays. Thank you for joining us.